campaign for Hoosier Families is to improve the health and overall well-being of low-income families and individuals through social justice and advocacy. CHF is dedicated to ensuring that public policy implemented at the local, state, and federal levels safeguards low-income families and provides a pathway out of poverty. CHF serves as a champion for the poor and disenfranchised. If your faith calls you to serve the least among us, CHF is an opportunity to put your faith in action. Join others in speaking up for low-income Hoosier families.
I'm Joe Micon. I'm Executive Director of Lafayette Urban Ministry, and we are an organization of 42 churches. We serve as a social safety net for children and families in our community here in Greater Lafayette that serve as a social safety net for those particular individuals. And we do a lot of wonderful direct services, things like direct financial assistance to needy families. We provide homeless shelter services. We do a lot of work with youth. But one of the things that really makes us unique is the Indiana campaign for Hoosier Families. And it's important to do the direct service kind of things, but we can do those things really until we're blue in the face. And it's very important to make sure that the policy piece is also taken care of. We've all heard the story about the awful curve on the road where cars keep falling off and ambulances keep being sent, and people try really hard to come up with better, faster ambulances to bring people to the hospital. But what the Campaign for Hoosier Families does is to ask the question, how much better would it be if we had a good engineer that was able to straighten that curve out in the road and people wouldn't go off in the first place? So we feel very strongly that we should be a voice to represent low-income families and children in the state legislature and even in Congress, so that we are here to talk sensibly about healthcare issues, public assistance issues, about tax issues that impact low-income people. We think that it's very important that we should be there at the State House and be known as we're walking down those halls as the organization that works very hard to represent low-income people.